I'm down here in Mount Angel. It's Oktoberfest time. Obviously, I'm a little underdressed, but Bill, you're looking great.
Thank you.
So tell us a little bit about Oktoberfest in Mount Angel.
Well, Mount Angel Oktoberfest. Actually, Ryan, do you care if I take off my lederhosen?
Oh, no, let's do that.
Okay. So Mount Angel Oktoberfest, this would have been our 55th year. And we decided we could have taken a pass this year, right. And we decided that we weren't going to take a pass because Mount Angel Oktoberfest is all about supporting the local nonprofits and groups in the local area, and we decided that we wanted to continue to try to do something like that.
You know, Oktoberfest is not just about drinking beer and brats, which is, you know, fun as it is, but there's a lot more to Oktoberfest in this community.
Correct. I mean, we do enjoy that. Right. However, so a typical festival incorporates about 50 nonprofit food booths. All of our downtown food booths are all nonprofits. When they're here for the 4 days of the festival, all of those booths together gross about $750,000, and they take that money to go do their good works throughout the year.
Right. So that's getting distributed throughout all of these,
yep,
various profits throughout
yep,
the community and throughout the valley.
Absolutely. Oktoberfest has also been able to donate $3.5 million in the 54 years that we have been around, in addition to their money that they do their good deeds with.
Which is great support for that community. So we'll head on over to Monica and let her tell us what Oktoberfest is going to look like this year.
Okay.
Well, I'm with Monica. Monica, it's still Oktoberfest. It's coming up, but it's going to be a little bit different this year. So tell us what's going to happen this year.
Well, I'll have to tell you, it's going to be a lot different this year. Usually this fest hall is full of people and we're selling beer and having great fun, and the crowds are packed. But this year, this fest hall is going to act as a warehouse instead. And what we're hoping to do is have our normal festival goers pre-order what they'd like to have at their festival, and they're going to come by, they'll swing through the parking lot, pick up their to-go pack, then they'll go home and they'll plug into the live stream that we're going to have on the Saturday night, Saturday, September 19th.
Nice.
And then they can sit there in the comfort of their own home, enjoy their sausage, have their favorite beers, because they can select which ones they want, and then just relax and enjoy the evening.
Listening to music, and they can just keep that party going. They don't have to drive home, but they can still be part of the festival. They can come down there, they can support it, they can support the great communities around here and the donations, be able to continue the tradition. So
right, it's going to be a huge piece of it, is to be able to support those nonprofits.
Right.
And yeah, we'd love to have them go. Anybody who would like to go to Oktoberfest.org. Remember, Oktoberfest is spelled with a K.
Right.
And then you can look through our catalog. Make sure you find the live stream, because that's where the entertainment's at. But then there is a selection of carefully curated German beers and some great local craft beers that a lot of these guys are self-distributed, so it's not beers you can find just anywhere. So there's a good reason to go there, and they'll all be sitting right out the back door here. So we'd love to be able to set you up with your own Oktoberfest party.
Right. Well, keep the tradition going. So, for more information on it, you can go to your website, or you can go to gardentime.tv and we'll click you over. So it's been a pleasure being down here, and we're looking forward to Oktoberfest.
Thank you so much. I'll put my dirndl back on.